How to make a tasty French toast. This French toast recipe is super tasty and perfect for snacks and superb for tea time. Easy bread snacks recipe made with simple ingredients. 4 slices bread, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, half cup of milk, half cup sugar, vanilla essence, and 2 eggs. Break 2 eggs in a bowl, mix well. Add half cup of milk in it and mix again. Then add 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, half cup sugar and half teaspoon salt. Add some vanilla essence. Mix again very well. Put a pan on a stove, pour 1 teaspoon cooking oil and ghee in it. Dip each slices of bread into the pre-prepared egg mix and placed in hot pan. Cook both sides very well. Now we have ready tasty and simple bread snack. Serve it in a beautiful bowl. Add some honey on it for more tasty. This is a must-try recipe loved by both kids and adults.